Yeah, hi guys, this is attempt number two. I have just invited
Welcome back.
Himran. So much better, so much better. Oh, we
Yeah,
have Aruchi. Hi
exactly.
Aruchi,
Finally.
finally
Hey,
you're there. Hi, how are you?
How are you guys?
hi, doing fine.
Congratulations, congratulations! You guys are killing
Same
it. I mean,
to
all
you.
of us are killing it.
How
So
is it
what's up?
feeling?
How's it going?
uh, we just trying to, gather everything together. Ki yes, finally, uh, this is what we were planning since very long, and अभी finally ऐसा हो रहा है. I'm very glad.
Yeah, I know you were very excited about the song. हमारी उस वक्त बात हुई थी.
Yes.
बहुत ही अच्छा लगता है हमारी एक्चुअली उत्तराखंड में हम लोग मैं और आरुषि दोनों उत्तराखंड से बिलोंग करते हैं और हम काफी बार बिफोर ऑल दिस बिफोर म्यूजिक एंड आर्ट्स हैपेंड आई थिंक हम लोग फैमिली फ्रेंड्स भी हैं तो हम लोग काफी मिल चुके हैं पहले एंड फॉर अ वेरी लॉन्ग टाइम वी वांटेड टू वर्क टुगेदर एंड आई थिंक वफा वाज द परफेक्ट सॉन्ग एंड देन
Nothing better than this.
नथिंग बेटर देन
Actually,
टू वर्क टुगेदर फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल आप लोग हम लोग को सबसे पहले अपने फैंस को बताना चाहिए कि हम लोग नंबर वन पे ट्रेंड कर रहे हैं इस वक्त विच
Hmm.
इज
yes.
मैसिव इज अ
Exactly.
मैसिव स्पेस एंड आई जस्ट फील वेरी अनफॉर्चुनेट कि why was I not why didn't I why I didn't stay back in Kashmir to spend and enjoy time with you guys while you guys were shooting this song, such a cult
Yeah,
classic
even we
song.
feel the same. We feel the same, and me and Himanshu keep talking about it.
जी
That it would be much more fun if we could celebrate this together. Actual में हम लोग मिल पाते और उसको celebrate कर पाते. It's
Hmm.
massive, I mean, people just flooding love, and thank you so much everyone. I mean, मैं उम्मीद भी नहीं कर सकती थी, but you're giving so much love, and Zubin, you were absolutely amazing in that. I think हम लोग कितनी भी एक्टिंग कर लेते, but your voice has added so much jaan to it. We can't explain that.
मैं सेम चीज आप लोग के लिए बोलना चाहता था कि आप लोग की जो परफॉर्मेंस इसमें रही है मतलब आई वाज रियली इंजॉयिंग द वीडियो थ्रू आउट और जब भी हम गाना रिकॉर्ड करते हैं तो एक इमेजिनेशन रहती है कि अगर इसकी वीडियो होती तो कैसी सी होती एंड आई एम टॉकिंग ऑफ वाइल वी आर डबिंग द सॉन्ग
Hmm.
एंड both of you Himansh bhai and Arushi you have both done beyond my expectations. I did not I जो मेरे दिमाग में एक इमेजिनेशन थी वीडियो को लेकर के उससे बहुत ज्यादा खेल के आई है वीडियो.
My God.
बिग
Thank
लव टू आवर
you.
बिग लव टू आवर डायरेक्टर मिस्टर पांडा. इसमें
Yeah.
सिर्फ
Baba,
3 ही लोग
how,
अलाउड थे वरना उनको भी मैं ज्वाइन करने के लिए बोलता डेफिनेटली. आई
a
थिंक
series of things connected, how it started from Bhushan ji and
या
how he curated this. I remember I was in his cabin. He had called me before we were leaving for the shoot. And there was just a very small, brief conversation. He looked at me while he was working, and then he looks at me and he's like, ये गाना मेरे लिए बहुत special है. So that one line, and I was looking at it, I felt, okay, sir, I got it, what it means. I'll give my 100%. So I think it starts from there, the energy from the
या
main man, and then gets carried away. पूरा वो नीचे as a grape पूरा divide होता जाता है energy, and then it went to Ashish. Amazing direction. It is always to do with the director when it comes to the videos. Secondly, we have to give it to the man, our cinematographer, DOP Vishal Sinha.
या
Beautiful frames, amazing frames. And then वीडियो शूट होने से पहले ऑडियो आता है बाबा. तो आपने तो जो किया है वो वो दुनिया इस समय परेशान हो
तो
गई है. आई एम टेलिंग यू ना, आई एम ऑल्सो वन ऑफ जो जितने भी सारे फैंस हैं ना, आई एम ऑल्सो विद देम हियर कि बाबा क्या कराना चाहते हो. एक
सो
ही दिल है, कितनी बार जीतोगे.
की शूटिंग इन्होंने तैयारी बोल दी थी कि ये इस गाने को शूट करने एक्सेप्ट कर लिया था। फिर उसके बाद हमारी मुलाकात हुई न्यू ईयर के टाइम पे मसूरी में, एंड मी एंड हिमांश वी वर वॉकिंग ऑन द मॉल रोड, एंड दैट टाइम हिमांश टोल्ड मी कि यार बाबा, आई एम डूइंग दिस सॉन्ग वफाना रासाई, एंड अगर इसको आप और हम साथ में कर पाते। तो इन्होंने मुझे गाना सुनाया, गाना खैर इट वाज जस्ट अ ब्रिलियंट ब्रिलियंट सॉन्ग, एंड वी गॉट टुगेदर, वी डिड इट टुगेदर। द फनी पार्ट वाज दैट जब, अच्छा मुझे नहीं पता था कि मैं कैसा साउंड करूंगा, क्योंकि ये गाना बहुत ही मतलब आई डिड नॉट नो मैं कैसा साउंड करूंगा इस गाने पे। आई वाज नॉट वेरी श्योर, बट आई वेंट एंड आई डब, आई मेट मीत ब्रदर्स जिन्होंने कंपोज करा इस गाने को, और आई कैन नॉट टेल यू हाउ 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 सरियल द रिकॉर्डिंग वाज। मैं खुद भी मैंने एक्सपेक्ट नहीं करा था कि इस तरह का रिकॉर्ड हो जाएगा, एंड वी डब्ड इट रियली रियली फास्ट, एंड ऑल ऑफ अस वर सरप्राइज्ड। फ्रॉम दैट मोमेंट आई न्यू दैट दिस इज गोइंग टू क्रिएट समथिंग फॉर अस reacting. I think this is one of the I think this is one of those things that we will remember for a very very long time.
No,
And
certainly.
a song. So मुझे लगता है I will like to sing the acoustic version for the first time
Oh, please, please,
for the fans.
please,
Yes. And
please,
what
Baba.
could be better if you guys are here with us?
Yeah.
So this song is dedicated to all of us who got together and did this together. The composers, Meet Brothers, the writer Rashmi Virag, the director Ashish Panda, the cinematographer Mr. Sinha,
Sinha.
the main man Mr. Bhushan Kumar, the entire team of T Series, Shivam, Raj, Sonal, Vivin, and you two beautiful people. You guys killed it. This is for you guys. रो या हंसूं तेरी हरकत पे, या फिर तेरी तारीफ करूं, मेरे दिल से तू ऐसे याद रखेगा यार तेरी बेवफाई, वफा न रासाई, तुझे ओ हर जाई, वफा न रासाई, तुझे ओ हर जाई. Thank you so much for being here with us.
Beautiful.
To all the fans, thank you so much, both of you, for being here. You guys look amazing together, and
Baba, thank you.
and beautifully broken his heart and beautifully recovered
तेरी
from
जहर
that.
भरी दो आंखों की मुझे चाल समझ नहीं आई.
I don't know. I mean, I'll tell an interesting story to you also. When Bhushan ji and we were discussing about this song, and he was narrating me the story, कि ऐसा हो जाएगा फिर वैसा हो जाएगा. I was like, people gonna hate me, you know. इतने से प्यारे से लड़के का दिल तोड़ दिया. People really gonna hate me. I mean, why are you doing this to me? You know, this is my first song. And actually, yesterday me and Himansh were taking a media question, and everybody was asking, अरुषि आपने ऐसा क्यों किया हिमांश के साथ? अरे मैं भी तब से यही पूछ रही हूँ कि मैंने ऐसा क्यों किया. So, but yes, because that was his conviction about this song, and that's how he, you know, see this whole story, and he tried to make us fit into, you know, this beautiful story and drama, and I'm very very glad to be part of this. And हिमांश के लिए मैं बोलना चाहूंगी कि you know, it's very important for a female actor specifically to have a good co-actor. And I feel very blessed, like both of my co-actors were making me, you know, feel very safe, very much home. I didn't know any technical term and they keep explaining me, Arushi, this is what they are doing, you have to do this. So I thoroughly enjoy the whole process and this song. एंड मैं सबको ये बोलूंगी कि इस टाइम में भी, बिकॉज हम लोग कोविड के टाइम में हैं, तो ये सॉन्ग दर्द भी लेके आ रहा है और दवा भी यही सॉन्ग कर रहा है. सो प्लीज इसे बहुत बहुत सुनिए और इसे बहुत बहुत प्यार दीजिए.
Thank you, thank you.
Yes.
Himanshu, want to say something? Yes.
Baba, I have a lot of emotions in me right now. Lot of feelings. I don't know मैं कौन से वर्ड से उन्हें बयान करूं, शब्दों से बयान करूं. बाबा ये गाना बहुत खूबसूरत है, आपने इसे बहुत खूबसूरती से गाया, हमने इसमें खूब मेहनत करी. Being a part of it, रात को आराम से कभी अकेले चैन से आप बैठ के गाने सुनते हो कभी कभी, when you look at things, the project, and when you hear the song, it feels amazing, Baba. It just feels amazing. कुछ एक लगता है ना, it's a beautiful feeling to be there in that trance and then be happy about how it happened and how it shaped up. So I have to give it to you. In fact, all of us, Baba, it's always a teamwork. It's always a teamwork for every good project. But hats off to you, Baba, for taking it there. Wafa,
Like-minded people, like-minded people coming together. Like-minded
I
people coming
personally
together.
feel about it that because how you felt the song for me, the moment you knew that I'm gonna be featuring in this song, मैं इस गाने में हूँगा, और जिस तरह से आपने उसे गाया बाबा, तो वो मुझे
It was
मतलब
for you. I felt you, brother. I felt you, and
I got you, Baba. I got you where you're going, Baba.
and
Feelings,
जी.
man. Feelings.
फीलिंग्स एंड देखिए, मैं और आरुषि तो खैर हम लोग तो फुल ऑन पहाड़ से बिलोंग करते हैं, लेकिन अब आप भी हमारे पहाड़ों से बिलोंग करने लग गए हैं. आपकी आवाज और आपकी जो रूहानियत है वो हमारे पहाड़ों में बस चुकी है. एंड यू आर मोस्ट वेलकम टू प्लीज कम एंड स्पेंड टाइम विद अस अगेन एंड अगेन हियर. एंड
I'll tell you
Definitely.
one more thing. I'll tell you that you and me are Pahadi, but I don't know, nobody's considering me as Pahadi or Kashmiri, but people coming to Himansh and they start talking to him in Kashmiri language. So every time he has to explain, oh, I'm not Kashmiri, bhai. So,
Oh, I had
so
no
you know,
clue.
it's a very big win for you, you know, Himansh, that you were actually, you know, people, the local people also feel such great connect with you.
Yeah.
Yes.
Thank you. Oh, I had no
अच्छा फिर
idea. मतलब उस समय आपके आसपास आके लोग कुछ बात करना शुरू हो जाए. You're in a shot that time. You're in your mood.
Yeah.
And I was literally हमारा वो जो particular phrase है ना इस गाने के अंदर में, वादों की लाशों को, तो वहाँ वाले टाइम पे I remember these people were all around and वो कश्मीरी में बात कर रहे हैं. I couldn't understand anything. So I was kind of shocked कि क्या करना है, यहाँ पे ध्यान देना है या वो जो टेक चल रहा है वहाँ पे ध्यान देना है. But
wow.
they're lovely people, Baba. You have to just listen to them. It's just that you need to give them time. They will give you love.
Sweet language, sweet people. And let's take some okay, I want to ask one thing. It was a very so Arushi, जब आप first time इसमें like आप first video में you were a little you were a little reluctant to play a negative character. Were you? That's what you said, right?
Yes.
You were a little,
Yes.
but even apart from that, I think you come across as a very strong character in the video. You come across as you come across as somebody who's very sure of what she wants. And मैं शायद आपके कैरेक्टर को नेगेटिव नहीं बोल सकूंगा, मैं आपके कैरेक्टर को सिर्फ एक स्ट्रॉन्ग कैरेक्टर बोलूंगा, बिकॉज आई एम नॉट श्योर इन द वीडियो अगर उसमें इस तरह से आपके कैरेक्टर को दिखाया कि आपने किसी तरह से बिट्रे करा है या कुछ करा है. वो गाने के शब्द इस तरह से ले जाते हैं हमको
Yeah,
कि कहते हैं
your voice is so convictional कि लोगों को मानना पड़ेगा कि धोखा ही दिया था.
बट बट अगर सच्चाई में देखा जाए धोखा नहीं था हिमांश, आपको लगता है कि
Yes,
धोखा
yes.
दिया गया था वीडियो
बाबा
में
आप ही
आपके
बता दो बाबा आप ही बता दो बाबा तो बाबा धोखा तो नहीं था वो, पर फिर वो क्या था वो मुझे भी खुद समझ नहीं आ रहा so we'll actually let the audience decide कि वो क्या था.
आई थिंक मुझे लगता है जितनी ऑडियंस है उनको वीडियो फिर से देखनी चाहिए और डिसाइड करना चाहिए कि क्या आरुषि के कैरेक्टर ने हिमांशी कैरेक्टर को वाकई धोखा दिया था, या वो एक तरफा प्यार था जो इस तरह से प्ले आउट करा, या हिमांश के कैरेक्टर को वाकई इट वाज लाइक अ हार्ट ब्रेक सिचुएशन जहां पर उसको लीड ऑन करा गया था. सो आई थिंक दिस इज फॉर ऑल द पीपल टू डिसाइड हाउ थिंग्स
Yeah.
वेंट and how things went in the music video and how things are going now after the music video.
You know, I
Yeah.
feel all three characters itself is so pure and innocent and intense. Because उस बेचारे को तो कुछ पता ही नहीं है what is happening, so he's so just enjoying the thing. And about me and Himansh is like, so you are right. I mean, if you see from a girl perspective, so it's so clear in that, in thought that she never wanted that to happen. It was, she was very friendly and, in a friend zone. And from Himansh's perspective, that it was such a pure and innocent love that it do not required, कि उधर से भी कोई मुझे चाहे, लेकिन मैं बहुत शिद्दत से चाहता हूँ. So it's beautiful and very intense, very intense.
Very very intense. I think आशीष पांडा जो डायरेक्टर है हमारे, वो भी इसमें बता पाएंगे कि लड़की ने धोखा दिया था कि नहीं दिया था,
बाबा
हुआ
वही
क्या था.
बताएंगे ये वही बताएंगे. और ये
I
आपके साथ भी
married and
करते
I
हैं, ये
make
मेरे
sure with
साथ भी.
Ashish. I asked आशीष एक तो पहले ये क्लियर करो, वो शादी हो गई है ना लड़की की? हाँ, मंगलसूत्र है गले में. शादी हुई है, हस्बैंड के साथ जा रही होता है. Okay, then it's fine. Then भाई please make sure that it was a one-sided love. But the way he has, shown that one-sided aspect also, I mean,
Oof,
beautifully done.
oof,
And the
oof,
way
oof.
Himansh has took it, and I'll tell everybody, I'm talking too much, I'm sorry, but I want to tell to people that he's not only a fine actor, I mean, he's such a gentle human being that every time he's, holding me, grabbing me very tight, he's like, sorry, I'm going to hold you tight. I was like, that's fine, go for it. So, it means a lot for an actor and for a female to have such team, and it was wonderful.
So coming down
Thank
to
you.
Heartbreak,
Thank you.
we have done like a heartbreak song. So I would want to talk about heartbreaks. Can we do that?
Yeah, Baba, I think there is no other option.
Arushi doesn't want to talk about heartbreaks.
Yeah, I think no girl would like to talk about it, I'm sure.
Yeah.
So doing a heartbreak video, I would not get into a personal say for a singer. मैं बोल सकता हूँ कि जैसे अगर मुझको एक गाने को इमोट करना है, एक heartbreak song को इमोट करना है, I would derive it from my personal life. I would derive that emotion from my personal life as a singer. I don't know how it works for actors, so I want to know if you have to play like a romantic role or a heartbreak role or maybe a dance role. Does it come from your character or does it come from your personal life experience?
Baba, it has to naturally come from your personal life experiences, because वो जो pain होता है जब आप until unless you go through it,
Yeah.
आप उसे इमोट नहीं कर सकते, आप उसे उतनी शिद्दत से फील नहीं कर सकते. सो ये मुझे लगता है ये जो दर्द है, जो ब्रेकअप होता है, हार्ट ब्रेक होता है, दर्द होता है किसी इंसान की जिंदगी में, और दर्द बहुत से रिश्तों के सेपरेशन में होता है. दिस फीलिंग इज अगेन, वो कहते हैं ना, मतलब हर लड़के की लाइफ में ऐसा एक फेज आता है जब वो इस दर्द से गुजरता है. ये आपकी, मेरी, हम सभी लड़कों की कहानी होती है. नॉट बीइंग बायस्ड ऑन द बेसिस ऑफ हाउ द कैरेक्टर्स वर प्लेस्ड and what and how irrespective we were playing in this particular song, but this is a normal story. I mean, I personally feel कोई भी इस गाने को देखता है, सुनता है, तो उससे इजीली इसीलिए कनेक्ट हो जाते हैं क्योंकि ये सबकी स्टोरी है, हम सबकी स्टोरी कहीं ना कहीं होती है. So
जी.
it wasn't really very difficult, I would say, because again, it was just about think of something happened in your life some time back, whatever happened, just get things together and express it straight. That's an artist job. Baba, मैं artist हूँ ना, मेरे तो this is the only way I can express. That's the only
Lovely.
possible way for me.
Lovely. And what do you say about this, Arushi? What do you think?
I think, partially I'll go with Himansh, because whenever you are doing some character, and I have been a Kathak exponent for 16 to 18 years, for us being into a emotion, it was a little bit different, because for me it was biggest challenge was that I had to cry, and I had to drop tear. In my performance, I have to hold that emotion, but I cannot cry on stage. It's a bad gesture in Kathak that you cannot cry on stage. So I will say that this is, completely goes with personality to personality and how you want to achieve it. For me, it simply goes like, if I have some incident happened related to that character, I think in my mind and I do it. And if I do not have it, that I prefer to be in present and see it and be that character. So for me, it's very selective, and especially in this song, I will again say that I had to cry when Himansh was running, and I was in car and I'm leaving.
Yeah.
I asked especially for a glisten because I'm the first timer, so I don't know how I'm gonna cry. It's a tough task for me. How can you cry for somebody you met 3 days before, you don't know about these characters, and you don't have gone through onto that deep lane, Yeah, hua hoga, but not that deep. I saw Himansh, there's a music going on, and I started crying.
Wow.
So I was in the moment, and I was seeing a great actor running and doing his part and being his character. So it reminded me of my character, So I think it's selective completely that how you go for it.
Wow. That's a major compliment, I think, for Himansh. And
thank you.
definitely जो एंड में जो रन है, जो शाउट है, जो एंड का एक सीन है जब वो भागता है, that definitely creates goosebumps. I think it got to me, and I'm sure it's getting to the audience as well, very much. So
Baba, you won't believe, but even I, being Himansh myself, playing the character, trust me, when I look at the character and when I look at the video, Baba, even I get goosebumps.
wow,
Because
wow.
it is the story, no, Baba. It is
So
a feeling.
it is just like that both of you forgot yourselves and got into the character to such a depth that आप लोग अभी खुद को भी देख रहे हो तो आप लोग को उसमें वही इफेक्ट आ रहा है जो शायद ऑडियंस को आ रहा है, which is a big achievement. Arushi is a brilliant Indian classical dancer. Kathak is what you are into, is what I know of. And coming from a classical side of arts, I think it definitely teaches you so much of the root where the art is starting. So that's a big thing that I did not know. I recently found out that you're a Kathak dancer, and there's a big respect to you. And Himansh, it is always lovely from मैं जिस दिन बुला दूं to this song and many more that we will get to do together. It's always lovely working with you. I love your lip syncs that I learned in this song, which is amazing. And I hope Arushi could do lip sync for me, but then there's a whole male voice coming from here.
Exactly. I love doing
I know.
love doing lip syncs for you, Baba.
And I think we come to an end of this little session. Thank you so much for joining me.
Yes, Baba.
I'm in the hills, and जैसे ही थोड़ा खत्म होता है, I would like to invite both of you to the hills.
Baba,
And
you're teasing any which ways. बार बार आप बोल रहे हो ना, I'm in the hills. तो अब मन कर रहा है आगे. So
And
from
we
Delhi,
should-
Uttarakhand is not that far.
it is very close. And
But let the lockdown settle, let the things settle.
But I know आप दोनों का आधा दिल तो इधर ही है जहाँ पर इस वक्त मैं हूँ पहाड़ों में.
बिल्कुल.
And we have to do this together sometime when we are here in the mountains. Thank you so much for joining me. Lots of love. Best of luck for the song.
Thank you.
Before we leave, before we end this conversation, there are a lot of people. There's a lot. I mean, looking at the conditions around us, there's a pandemic. So
Yeah.
there's just one thing मैं जो बोलना चाहता हूँ सभी लोगों को, जो मैं खुद भी फील
जी
करता हूँ.
जी
टाइम थोड़ा हैवी है, वाइब थोड़ा हैवी है. हम लोग अगर सोच से पॉजिटिव होते हैं तो वापस सब चीजें धीरे धीरे अपने आप ठीक होनी शुरू हो जाती हैं. एटलीस्ट अ कामर माइंड वुड टेक यू इन अ बेटर डायरेक्शन देन समवेयर अगर आपके दिमाग में अपने ठहराव नहीं है तो. सो दिस इज द टाइम व्हेन वी हैव टू होल्ड ऑन टू ईच अदर. अपना घर पे रहिए, आराम से रहिए. बाहर जाके फिजूल मस्ती जो चलती रहती है लोगों की, हालात आपको पता है न्यूज में भी जितने आ रहे हैं इस समय, इट्स वेरी स्कैरी. So I just wanted to pray for everybody, and I also want everyone else to pray for each and every human being here right now, because prayers do really work, Baba. So
yes.
it's just my energy I want to throw into the universe that things are going to be better very soon. We have to stay positive.
That's a strong message, and I think that message is from all of us to all the people who are watching us and more. Please ख्याल रखिए अपना. And Arushi, give my love to uncle. Get well wishes. Get well soon wishes, please. And Himansh, you also please take care. You guys are lovely.
Thank you, Baba.
And it was my pleasure to be a part of the song that both of you are featuring in. Absolutely.
Baba, it's an
Lots of
absolutely
love.
amazing pleasure.
And we are looking forward to see you very soon. And
See you guys very, very soon.
I want to listen
Indeed.
this, live now. I'm just like really
Oh.
craving. Let us come to Dehradun.
Absolutely.
Yeah.
Absolutely. We will do that together. Lots of love, guys. Please take care.
All
Bye
right.
bye.
Okay.
Thank you.
Bye-bye. Bye.